How to insert header only on the first page in Google Docs. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can insert header only on the first page in Google Docs. But before we do that, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So here I've opened Google Chrome and opened up a blank document on Google Docs. So let me just write something here. So something like first page here. Let me just increase the size and then write in first page. Now I'm going to transfer it and copy this to a second page. So let me just go down and create another page right here. I'm just going to keep pressing enter until I get to a second page. So here is the second page. I'm going to paste it here and make it second. Alright, so now we have two pages on our Google Docs. As you can see, this is the first page and this is the second page. So what I'm going to do now is first insert the header on the first page. Double click on the top side of the screen and insert header. So click on that and your header will be inserted. Now in this case, you can just go ahead and type in first page header. Alright, so once I've done that, if I go down, as you can see, the header will also be included on the second page. Now we need to do something called page break. For that, you're going to click on insert. And now what you're going to do is click on view first and then show non-printing character first. Now you'll be able to see all of these enters. Now click on the last line right here, then click on insert. Now once you've done that, click on break, and then you're going to create a section break to the next page. So here is a section break on the next page. Now you're going to select a header on the first header of the second page and then uncheck this link to previous. So it will unlink the page to the previous page. Now the header has been removed. And if I go up, the first page header is still there. So click on view again and then hide the non-printing characters. Alright, so if I go back now, on the first page I have the header, and on the second page I don't have the header. So it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm going to see you on the next one.